Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 8th of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby. We're going to see, is your ex coming back? That's the reading that we're doing, so let us go ahead and go into it. Aquarius, is your ex coming back? Are they coming back to you? Let's go. How does your ex feel about you, Aquarius? The Judgment. Okay, so first, I don't know if your ex feel like you passed on, you passed away. Somebody tell your ex say you're dead. Or I'm getting you haven't seen it. I'm getting you haven't seen this person in years. I'm getting this is going to be somebody literally who come back from the dead, literally. So I'm getting this ex, maybe somebody like your first ex, or I'm getting this ex is way in the past, man. No, do they want to get back together with you? Does my ex want to get back together with me? The Two of Cups, they do, but there's going to be a lot of talking, a lot of things and I have to talk through. But they do. The Two of Cups is Pisces card. The Two of Cups is usually talking, having a heart-to-heart conversation, listening to each other. So maybe somebody want to tell you what happened to, maybe somebody's sick. Somebody may have gotten sick. I'm getting somebody that come back from the dead to come talk to you. Maybe somebody was in an accident. What's the greatest obstacle of you guys reuniting with each other? The Ace of Wands. I'm getting the sex is going to be so healing. I'm getting that's what somebody really is anticipating. I'm getting somebody being in a coma for about a year. As them wake up from the coma, the first thing them say is, I need to have sex with this person. I'm getting sex is the first thing you're thinking about after waking up from a coma. And you're thinking about sex with this your ex-girlfriend, this woman. As you wake up from the coma, so I'm getting you cannot move your hand or foot, but you're thinking about sex with this woman. The greatest obstacle of you guys reuniting is, more say somebody cannot walk anymore. Maybe somebody had an accident, them can't walk anymore, but I'm getting you still at the thoughts of this woman make you stimulated. So the greatest obstacle is sex. Either getting back into that safe place where you can trust them to have sex with them, or am I getting something about healing sex, something like that. What is the likeliest outcome concerning the both of you? The Queen of Cups. So somebody might tell you about this ex-girlfriend. Somebody might tell you I have an ex-girl. Somebody may tell you about another ex. They might tell you so them currently with somebody, but them really head over heels. Them can't stop thinking about you. Because I'm getting somebody left you move on to a woman, but them will go back to you. So the likeliest outcome concerning both of you is that she have to go. You have to go break up with she or she'll get hurt. Because you're going to cheat on her with this woman. That apparently you've been dreaming about her body. Let me get one more to just clarify Queen of Cups. You're the Ten of Pentacles. I'm getting a lot of money. I'm getting the woman, somebody about this woman, Queen of Cups, she have a lot of money. She come from a rich family. Maybe you are with a woman who come from a filthy rich family and you couldn't leave her. The parents would make your life a hell. The father would make your life a hell because you upset his daughter. I'm getting you can't leave her because she maybe like treat you like a sugar baby. If you're a man, she treat you like a sugar baby. So I'm getting you're going to take that. Bruh, it no matter. Right now, I'm getting you just wake up from what, I'm getting you were as a vegetable. And you wake up and you were like, pussy. You don't know whose own it is, but I'm getting that's the first thing you want. You don't want to eat, you don't want to go for a walk outside. You want from a coma. I don't know if there was a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio woman, your wife by your side. I'm getting you go cheat on her. Are you cheating on her with a nurse? Night nurse program. We have a Libra. We have Cleanse Your Space, and we got I Am the Game. What else we have there? One night stand. Maybe having a one night stand with this woman, or me getting your wife to pay this woman for have a one night stand with you. Your wife is very unbothered. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.